This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the grid lines in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I have a little example project opened in PowerPoint here. To show or hide the grid lines in PowerPoint, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is go up to the View tab, click on View, and then go down to the Show section on the ribbon, and right in here, Grid Lines. You want to check the box next to Grid Lines. Now, as you can see, my grid lines are on, and they are on all of my slides. To turn off the grid lines, you just follow the exact same steps. You want to go up and make sure you are on the View tab, and then you'll go over to the Show section on the ribbon, and then you just simply uncheck Grid Lines. That is how you show or hide the grid lines in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.